How do you know if you're suffering with trauma? This is a really good question because often some of the common symptoms that we might associate with trauma, like flashbacks and nightmares, are actually not the most common symptoms that trauma sufferers can have. In fact, there are other symptoms that are more common for trauma sufferers to experience than flashbacks and nightmares. Here are 3 of those common symptoms that I've seen in my patients as a trauma therapist. So 1, difficulty managing and regulating emotion. Now, if we look at this from a scientific perspective, this makes sense. After a traumatic event, the part of the brain that manages and regulates our emotions is affected. Studies have shown that this part of the brain actually shrinks, and so its effectiveness is also reduced. So it makes sense that people who suffered with a traumatic event might find it difficult to regulate and manage their emotions after. 2, difficulty with memory. Again, if we look at this from a scientific perspective, this makes sense. The part of the brain that